Fit check. What's the fit check?
We got whatever the fuck these green shoes is.
He got some, whatever the fuck those are. And what you got on the, what you got right here?
And then we got Doodle Bob. If you ever fuck with him, look at that.
And welcome back to another video. Today we're going to Cars and Coffee, and guess what? I did something very minor to my car, so it involves sound, and the cats are gutted now. So let's start her up. Here's the startup. Yes, sir. Oh, this is fucking. It's a Hellcat. My neighbors hate me. This is what she sounds like now. It's super loud, dude. It makes the car so much more fun. But otherwise, we're gonna pick up someone, meet at the gas station, and then head over to the meet. We are putting some gasoline in. You already know. These V8s be chugging, man. Chug-a-doo. Oh, interior's all clean. Look at Samuel. Oh my God, look at you. Look at me. So beautiful. Yeah, car's all clean. She looks amazing. And we're about to head out in just a second. Look, there's a 4GT behind us. Holy smokes. Shit. Damn. I know, it's a 4GT. Oh, there's a tunnel. There's a tunnel. Or make noise in the big tunnel now. Let's see. Really make noise. Got my clapped out SC. I put tire shine on it. We got the homie's Chance's car. And we got his other car. And Parker's SC is somewhere over there. I don't know. Damn. Way more than my car. Look at him, big bag. Hey, you know, have you guys seen like the memes that says like cover me or something? Yeah, this is it right here. Look, bro. He covers me. Huh? You have a knife! You have a knife! And we got another big bag right here. We got new wheels. Damn, that shop did him dirty. Where the shop? One of the shops messed him up. It's clean though. Especially on the black. You got condensation in your taillights, sir. Me too. But yeah, it's super clean. I love it. Oh, check this out. Please don't copyright me for the music, please. Don't copyright me. Bro, check this out, bro. Oh my God. They put a BBL in the car. Dude, that front lip on the wheel's like a foot long. Damn. This is so clean, bro. Sheesh. Bro, literally beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Supercar is pulling up. Probably one of the rarest cars you'll see here, dude. Holy smokes. I only see these at Forza, man. Look at the color. Damn.
Now we got an RX-7.
that big single Turbinski. Super clean. Bro, the white wheels with the bright color are classic JDM, bro. Sheesh. S13 on the Meisties. My car, but sportier.
I know, for real, huh? Fine, I got a nice one.
You got a little. Is this Type R? Track purpose built. Super clean, bro. Damn. Do you? Damn. It's beautiful. Alright, so I bought this yesterday, guys. I just surprised you. It's like I'm too broke. AutoZone don't pay enough. Damn. Let me know if you guys like this Cars and Coffee content. Let me know down in the comments.
Probably, yeah.
Getting some crazy videos right here.
Alright, tell me this is better than Cars and Coffee.
Mark III Supra, boy. So here. Sheesh. Super clean. Honestly, I don't even know what else to say. I'm trying to make it funny and stuff, so. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. 40. Is that a 240? Is that a 240? Damn. Deep. And we got Mr. Rich over here. Sir, you're too rich to be here, sir. All blacked down. We got some more nice stuff over there. GT3 RS. Oh my god, my most favorite RS. This is the best year, dude. Hands down. So clean, bro. Oh my. Oh, damn. Amazing. Sir, how much did it cost you? 500 grand? 600 grand? 7, 8, 9, 10? The green wheels are unbelievably hard. Damn. Super clean. And it's a GTR. GTR. So clean, bro. Adopt me! Adopt me! Oh, I see this guy everywhere, right? I was gonna buy this, but let's just say, I don't know. I didn't. There's nothing really I can say that I'm just broke, to be honest. My man's carboned out the whole car, basically. Sick, bro. Sheesh. Oh, there's another one. Let's move up over here. Yes, sir. I will get down on my knees for a ride, sir. Damn. That is an R33 with the R34 front end. What the heck? It's insane. Jack Ultramotive. Rich. He gated manual swap this. Rich.
Jack.
He did a gated manual swap on this car, which is crazy, bro. This is my first time seeing it in person. It looks sick. Shit. So of course these fat asses have a bunch of food in the back of their car, so this is what we're eating for breakfast. Have a bite. Nom nom. Yes, yes. He's about to air up and down. Damn. Loud as hell, boy. These are hidden. The wheels are wheeling. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. You just kick a piece of rock into my car. And then that IS 300 wheel, bro, it makes the interior look so much better. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yucky, we are out. We are leaving. We got Connor behind us. You guys can see. Turn on the AC. Dude, this car gets so much attention, bro. Especially now that it's louder. And this 400. You please hurry up. Can you please hurry up, light? It's embarrassing. This car is so slow but so loud. So if I shift up at almost red line and the shifts at almost red line, it does a loud ass pop, dude. It's actually sick as fuck. He gapped me. He gapped my slow ass car for real. We are going under that tunnel.
That dude came out of nowhere.
I know. Damn, dude, that car is so nice. This car feels so quiet.
God, bro.
Damn, dude, that SC400. All right, guys. Gorgeous. Damn, that's my fucking car, dude. But yeah, so we just ate everything. We just had a little cookout, you know, Fast and Furious type thing. Look at you.
Better hide your baby, boy.
Dude, you better hide that big ass forehead. But yeah, that's all we did today. We might do some more later, so I'll catch up with you guys then. But yeah, we got crap ton of guacamole. We got carne asada. Yeah, tell them what we got.
Yeah, of course.
Tell them what we got.
Pollo y pastor.
Pastor? What else?
And a transmission.
And the transmission. He bought a transmission. I'll show you that in the video. Say hi. Oh.
Oh man, I don't fit, man.
Oh my god.
All right. So he actually does fit, but where is he? Let's go look for the big bag. Let's go look for a big chunky dude. Where could he be? Let's go look for him. We'll find him quick. Where's he at? We'll find him quick. Hold on, guys. Looking for a big chunky dude. We found him. This guy actually didn't fit through the gate. He was just too embarrassed. He just too embarrassed. Made it to another car meet with Jose, and we parked by myself. But honestly, I don't feel like recording anymore, so this is gonna probably be the end of the video, or I might make a little edit. Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna make the little edit of the car right now. you guys enjoyed that little edit. My camera's dirty, but otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video today, and I hope you guys like how it sounds. I'll do POV drive soon, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and thank you so much for watching.